In this video, we are going to look at problem solving strategy 1, which is an essential problem solving strategy for Math Olympiad. So this strategy is called drawing a picture or diagram. So we are going to look at an example called the tournament. So this example, we are looking at 8 teams in a single elimination, which basically means it will be one game of knockout. Okay, and we want to look at how many tournament games will the championship team will have to win. Okay, so we are going to look at how many games the champion will win. Now, for this particular question, it will be good that we draw a diagram. Okay, so I'm going to draw my diagram in blue. So let's say that I have 8 teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then these 8 teams, each 2 teams will play with one another. So these 2 teams will play and there will be a winner here. These 2 teams will play and I'll have a winner here. These 2 teams will play, I'll have a winner. These 2 teams will play and I'll have a winner. So this will be round 1. Okay. Next, we'll have round 2. So these 2 teams will play and we'll have a winner. These 2 teams will play and we'll have a winner. So we'll call this round 2. And finally, I'll have these 2 games. These 2 teams play together and I'll have a winner. So this will be our champion. Okay, and this is round number 3. So if you take a look at it, how many games will we play? We will actually play 3 games. Alright, so this question, even though it may look very daunting at first, after drawing a diagram, it will be a lot more manageable. So this is problem solving strategy number 1, drawing a picture or diagram.